We all want to stay strong and independent as we age, but some common exercise habits, things that seem healthy, can quietly put your heart at risk, especially after 60. And it often happens without warning. You're walking, stretching, maybe lifting light weights, and suddenly your heart is pounding, your chest feels tight, or your legs feel weak. What's going on? The truth is, not all movement is good movement, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with an aging heart, stiff joints, or slower recovery. Let's uncover 5 hidden exercise habits that may be weakening your heart without you realizing it, and what to do instead. 1. Ignoring your body's no. Signals. You may think a little soreness or fatigue is normal, but after 60, your body whispers before it screams. Shortness of breath, lightheadedness, or tightness in your chest aren't signs to push through. They're red flags. Many older adults dismiss these, especially during workouts, thinking they just need to get stronger. But ignoring these signs can lead to serious consequences. Your body's signals are not inconveniences. They're life-saving messages. Learn to pause, check in, and adjust. Your heart will thank you. 2. Exercising at the wrong time of day. The time you exercise can either help or hurt your heart. Working out in extreme heat or cold puts stress on your cardiovascular system. Heat forces your heart to work harder to cool down. Cold constricts blood vessels, raising blood pressure. Choose cooler parts of the day, like early morning. Stay hydrated, not just after the walk, but before and during too. Dress in breathable layers in cold weather. Most importantly, listen to your body. A subtle sign like slight dizziness could mean it's time to stop. 3. Moving too fast, too hard. Jumping jacks, burpees, stair sprints, they may feel energizing, but after 60, your nervous system reacts slower, balance declines, and blood vessels lose elasticity. Sudden, jerky movements can overwhelm your heart, disrupt your rhythm, or trigger dangerous spikes in blood pressure. A study found that people over 65 had delayed heart responses to quick, coordinated movements. This increases risk of fainting, irregular heartbeat, or falling. Instead of fast-paced workouts, try slow, flowing movements like Tai Chi, water aerobics, or gentle stretching. These calm the heart, strengthen the body, and improve balance without shocking your system. 4. Exercising. Too late at night. You might enjoy a peaceful walk or some light stretches before bed, but evening workouts, even light ones, stimulate your nervous system, raising heart rate and core temperature when your body should be winding down. Sleep is when your heart repairs and resets. Exercising too close to bedtime delays this process. One man thought his evening walks would help him sleep, but they kept him wired and awake. Once he moved his routine to late morning, his sleep returned to normal. So schedule workouts earlier in the day. Save evenings for relaxation, gentle stretching, deep breathing, or meditation. 5. Thinking you need to keep up. One of the biggest traps? Comparing yourself to your younger self or others in class or online. Movement should be about progress and preservation, not proving you can still do what you did at 30. Trying to match fast group workouts or intense online routines can lead to injury or heart strain. You're not weak for modifying movements, you're wise. You're training for longevity, not for ego. Choose exercises that meet you where you are today. Build consistency, not chaos. Strength isn't measured by intensity, but by your ability to move safely every day. Final thoughts. You don't have to stop moving. You just need to move smarter. Let go of the idea that more is better. Instead, focus on better timing, gentler movement, and listening to your body. That's how you protect your heart, stay strong, and enjoy the years ahead. If this helped you see things differently, share one habit you're ready to change in the comments below. And if you'd like more simple health tips to help you feel better and live stronger, subscribe and stay with us. Take care. Your heart deserves it. We're in this together.